Lecture 2. Today we will learn more about computer. What's the first thing you do when your Wi-Fi goes down? Will you panic? Same here. That's how important computers are today. Here's what we'll cover today. Computers for individual use, ICT platforms, and how computers are everywhere from classrooms to hospitals. Basically, how this machine controls our life. When computer hangs during exam, life has stopped working. ICT, local and cloud storage. Data can live locally, like in your USB or hard drive or in the cloud. And no, the cloud isn't a magical sky, it's just someone else's computer that you pay rent for. Information and communication, technology, ICT. Platforms often involve the storage, processing, and communication of data. In the context of data storage, there are two primary types: local data storage and cloud data storage. Advantages of local data storage include faster access, times, and greater control over data. However, it may lack the scalability and accessibility features that cloud storage offers. Cloud data storage involves storing data on remote servers that are accessed over the internet. Popular cloud storage providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform GCP, and various other. Computers for individual users. From desktops to smartphones, these are designed for one user at a time. Fun fact: the average smartphone today is more powerful than the computer used for the Apollo moon landing. Old big computer versus today's smartphone. Caption: Bro, I can't even open Facebook on you. Desktop computers, workstation, notebook computer, tablets, handheld computer, smartphone, computer application. Computers are literally everywhere. Education, healthcare, entertainment, smart homes, banking, business, education. Online classes be like teacher, teaching, students, sleeping, healthcare, doctor. Your report will come in 2 days. Computer, CTRLP done. Entertainment, Netflix asking, are you still watching? Me with popcorn, always. Before you go, test yourself. 1. What's the difference between local and cloud storage? 2. Which type of computer do you use most? Comment your answers below. Teacher, revise this. Me. Why do I struggle? I just Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V copy and paste into my brain. So today we explored the different types of computers, how they are used in daily life, and why they're such an important part of our world. Remember, whether it's for studying, gaming, working, or even healthcare, computers are everywhere around us. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more computer basics lectures. This was just the beginning. Stay tuned, because in the next lecture, we'll dive even deeper into the amazing world of computers. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Hope you learn.